The High Court of Ireland shot down Artem Lobov's defamation case against Conor McGregor. Artem had an issue with several of Conor's tweets calling him a rat, but Judge Garrett Simons didn't believe that was defamatory. Maybe the judge isn't aware he's not a rat but a goat, but anyways, Conor can continue calling him that. Also, this tweet Conor published was shut down by the judge as being defamatory. Conor may proceed to Photoshop Artem's head on packages of wieners. Artem's legal team is working on another case against McGregor where he's suing Conor for 5% of Proper 12 Irish whiskey. Artem may have actually had a pretty strong case if he didn't constantly reject payments McGregor tried to make him in the past. One text message from Artem to Conor allegedly says, "I swear on my child's life I will not take a cent out of the whiskey deal. That is something I enjoy doing, and the thought of knowing that I helped you with something keeps me warm on the coldest of nights." That very poetic text message might have killed his case, but Artem's record is usually lose one, win one, so after losing the first case, maybe he's got the second one. Hamza says he wants to fight at UFC 285 on March 4th, but nobody wants to fight him. The Colby fight makes the most sense, number 2 versus number 3. Interesting fight, would be an interesting lead up with the trash talking, and really the only fight to make for both of those two. Damon Jackson's on the first UFC event of the year versus Dan Ige. Jackson had an impressive second run in the UFC. His first stint in the UFC starting in 2014. He had everything but a win. 3 fights, 1 win, 1 loss, and 1 draw, and a one-way ticket out of the UFC. Then he worked his way back into the UFC 6 years later, and he's fighting better than ever. He's won 4 in a row. He'll enter the rankings if he can beat Ige, who is ranked number 13. Muhammad Makhachev expects to see his friend Kurbanali Isabekov in the UFC next year. He's 9-1, won his last 2 fights in 14 seconds and a minute and 14 seconds. He's from Dagestan. Dagestan has a population of around 3.2 million. 3.1 million of them are MMA fighters.